So triple A, triple S, SES. So we'll do few questions, few examples and few questions relating to this. Fifth,
Yeah. Observe figure 6.3 and find angle P. Mm, okay. So angle P will be 40 degrees.
okay.
Yeah.
So how do we know that?
Because so if we take 3 root 3 times 2, we get 6 root 3. 3.8 times 2, we get 7.6. 6 into 2, we get 12.
Mhm.
So the ratio of the two triangles is 2 is to 1. 1 is to 2.
Ratio of triangles.
But that it just means that they're similar, as I said.
No, ratio means ratio of what?
Of uh, the size of the triangle.
Yes. So this is by SSS, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So we need to somehow put and translate whatever is given, and then we need
Mm.
to prove into one of these similarity criteria. And if this is achieved, then it is similar. And then whatever
Okay.
further is asked, we can proceed. So
Mm.
primarily, we need to reach to this conclusion first. If it's the end, then question is done. Else, continue
Mm.
with this forward. Okay,
Yeah.
if this is
Okay.
proved, then angles. Now, writing the triangle vertices is very important.
Okay.
In this, it's not really difficult. Still, you can just tell me what are the triangle nomenclature would be.
Okay. So R would be angle A.
Okay, R is A,
Uh, P is angle. P is angle C,
P is angle C. So, okay,
and Q is angle B.
hmm. Okay. So, how do we know that this is right?
Um, because all the angles are equal and all the sides are.
Oh, that's okay, but how do you exactly know
Um,
that these are the corresponding vertices in the exact order?
because okay, so because so the angle A is in between AC and AB. AC is 3 root 3 and AB is 3.8. So AB times 2 will give 7.6 and AC times 2 will give 6 root 3.
So,
So, and the angle line between that will be equal to A, and that's R.
AB is corresponding to RQ or QR.
AB is corresponding to RQ
How do you know that?
because AB, twice AB is equal to R, 7.6.
But twice AB is equal to QR also. It's a length.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. No, AB is equal to RQ because,
AB means length, and length
yeah.
can be either way, either AB or
But the
AB.
angles, because the angle A is in between AB and AC.
No, that is it is visible, but if
Yeah.
it is
Yeah.
topsy turvy and if it's not clearly, you know,
Mhm.
we can't decipher that. So in that case,
It can be both.
obviously it can be. The
Yeah.
point is,
Okay.
the bottom length is 12, and that is multiplied like this is twice of this. So then
Okay.
we can easily guess that B is corresponding to Q,
Hmm.
and this is wrong.
Okay.
Is it okay?
Hmm.
That's why I was spending so much of time on this, and because this where we'll make mistake, and this is where things will become more sophisticated in the future questions.
Okay.
So you need to take care of this.
Hmm.
Again, they found out the ratios. They equated the ratios of corresponding ratio of sides. They proved using
Hmm.
the similarity that these two triangles are similar. The corresponding angles
Hmm.
are similar. Hence, the angle P is equal to 40 degree.
Hmm.
Go ahead with the sixth.
Okay. Figure 6.31. OA. What does that dot represent?
Multiplication.
OA into OB is equal to OC into OD. So that angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. Okay. So, uh, first of all, angle AOD is equal to angle COB. Um,
Angle AOD is equal to
Angle COB.
BO,
C. Yeah.
BOC or COB.
Uh, COB. I mean, COB, I think.
We are not sure because nothing
Yeah,
is
I'm not
given.
sure.
So this is actually
Yeah.
not true. Just for being exactly correct,
Okay.
it's not true.
Okay. Okay.
So
Alright.
this we can't know. This is true that
But
this angle is.
vertically opposite, why can't we?
This is true, but how do you know that it is AOD or AOD is similar equal to BOC or COB? But
Oh,
because
yeah.
because
Okay.
that is the way that you will come to know about the similarity nomenclature, right?
Okay. Okay. So, now,
The angle needs to be same. Other two angle needs to be equal, na?
uh,
They
uh,
can't interchange. Yeah.
okay. 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 So, OA into OB is equal to OC into OD also means that OA divided by OD is equal to, sorry, OA divided by OC is equal to OD divided by OB.
Hmm.
Yeah. Now, um, so if OA is equal to OC and OD is equal to OB, then we have a SAS. We
Okay.
can't really.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now you can just write that this using this OA by OC, OA by
Yeah.
OC. Now you can just come to know that it is corresponding to A is corresponding
Uh,
to C,
yeah.
and D is corresponding to
B.
B.
Yeah. Okay.
So now we can write AOD is equal to
Mm.
vertically opposite angles, and hence they are
Okay.
similar. Now you have written the angle, that's why you can just write using this
Okay. Mm.
as correct. Okay.
Yeah.
And then rest is piece of cake. Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it okay?
Mm. Yeah.
Again, the naming is the important part. That's going to confuse the most of the time.
Okay. Mm.
Yes, so this is our pivot question of this chapter.
Yeah. Okay.
Go ahead.
Okay. A girl of height 90 centimeters is walking away from the base of a lamppost at a speed of 1.2 meter per second. If the lamp is 3.6 meters above the ground, find the length of a shadow after 4 seconds. Um, Goal of height 90 centimeters. This of a lamp post at a speed of 1.2. 1. Ground, find the length. Okay, so CD is equal to 90 centimeters. And the walking width the lamp post. So AB will be 3.6 meters, which is 360 centimeters. Mm, uh, so then, um, yeah, wait, speed of 1.2. Okay, so um, so we can now find the oh no, uh,
It's walking
so
away from
yeah,
the. Yes.
so the shadow, the length of the shadow will decrease, but I don't know. Okay.
This is the distance she has covered walking 4 seconds.
Oh, okay. That yeah, that is the question. Okay. So that means BD is equal to which is 4.8 meters BD, which is 480 centimeters. 480 centimeters. Okay. So then A B B D C D. So
What else?
mm,
Okay, so this is suppose X. Okay.
okay.
Now, can we prove this two triangles E C D similar to triangle E A B? Can we prove?
E A B E A. Oh, okay. So yeah, AC by CE is equal to.
No, that is after the
But
proof. Okay,
yeah,
you might be right, but is
or
there
like CD is parallel to AB
how do you know that?
because he's standing upright and
Exactly, that's exactly the same thing. So
okay,
that they would be,
parallel.
and more than that, just we can assume,
Mm,
logically that this should be 90. Hopefully,
yeah, yeah.
hopefully the architect has the worker
Mm,
has done the
mm,
right job, and the girl is
mm,
just
yeah.
okay. So we can
Mm,
assume this as 90, and E is same, common for both these triangles.
mm,
So using AA,
yeah.
these are similar. You can just write the details.
Okay.
If that is
Okay.
the case, then we can use the ratios of the sides. So what side ratio can we take?
Uh.
That should incorporate what is given. That should
Yeah.
include that thing, that details. So what would that be?
Uh. AC and CE and BD and DE.
AC by CE is equal to BD by D. Okay.
DE. Yeah.
but we are given
All
A
right, A, yeah, it's AE by CE and
AE by
BE by DE.
D C
Hmm.
E and
BE by
BE by
DE.
DE. That's okay, but
Hmm.
are we given AE or CE? We are given
Um,
AB and CD and BD.
uh,
Can you take the ratio other side?
uh, yeah, we can. But, mm,
Because that
sorry,
is
can you
give.
repeat?
Can we take can we avoid taking the ratio of this sides and take the remaining side ratio because that is given to us and that is more helpful? Can we take
Mm-hmm.
AB by CD?
Uh, uh,
Because AB is given, CD is given, and
mm,
B can
mm,
be written as X plus BD. That is
yeah.
480.
Mm,
BE is X. Is that helpful?
yeah.
Okay. So now this 4 times. So X plus 480.
Mm,
So this length is okay.
yeah.
Are you clear with this?
Yeah.
So after the after 4 seconds, the shadow length of the girl would be 1.6 meters. Is it a good question?
Yeah.
It is. So you need to prove the
Yeah.
similarity first, and then you need to
And then,
you use the
and yeah.
what we have derived from the question, the side ratio. Then we can
Mm,
solve. Okay. Okay. Let's go to example 8. Yes.
okay. In figure 6.33, CM and RN are respectively the medians of triangle ABC and PQR. If ABC is similar to PQR, proves that AMC similar to PNR and CM by RN, CM by RN is equal to AB by PQ. Okay. And CMB is similar to. So CM and RN are the medians of ABC, PQR. Yes, ABC is. Okay. Um. So in triangle AMC, angle. Yeah. AC and PR are similar. Um,
AC and MP. AC and NP.
AC. Oh yeah. AC. But
What does median mean?
no, what I said was AC is similar to PR.
AC. Okay. AC is similar to, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
this is similar means this.
I mean, it's proportional to,
Yeah. Proportional to.
yeah, PR.
It's corresponding to PR,
Yeah.
but that we don't know because it can be QR also. We need to, be
Uh,
quite exact with what we are mentioning because it can
because
be. We
it's
don't
given
know.
was it incongruency? I remember that when they say ABC is congruent to PQR, they
Yes.
mean that AB is equal to PQ,
Yes.
BC is
So,
equal to
so
QR.
you saw using this.
Yeah,
So we can say that AC by PR is
is
proportional equal to
equal
what else?
B, BC by QR,
BC by QR. Okay.
and is equal to half AB by half QP.
So first this is true,
Yeah,
and sorry, first this is true, then
yeah.
further things can be
Mm.
taken. So that means half of AB by half of PQ is also equal. Yeah, and this is basically what
So that is equal to AM is AM
they
by
want.
AM
They
by
want.
PN.
Yes, they want
Yeah.
these triangles.
And Q and yeah, QN and BN.
Okay. So no, this they want this corresponding like this triangles to be similar because
Yeah.
AMC and PNR is given. So we will
Yeah.
take half of AB is even this also, right?
Yeah.
So this we are avoiding
Mm.
right now.
Mm.
We're taking the other this one.
Okay.
Okay, fine till now.
Yeah.
So this is by SSS criteria, and this is second part.
CM by RN is equal to AB by PQ. Okay. So
Hmm.
we know that we've proved that AMC is similar to PNR. So
Yes.
angle okay, by R. Okay. So then CM is similar to RN and AB will be similar to, sorry, yeah, CM is, yeah, so CM will be similar to RN or corresponding to RN,
CM is yes, it is.
corresponding to RN. And
Yes.
since, uh, uh,
Use this too.
yeah, AM plus M,
So
or 2 AM plus 2 PM is similar to,
so in this case, we have Cm by Rn
yeah,
equal to Am by Pn,
PM.
which
Yeah.
is equal to 2 times Am by 2
Mm.
times Pn, which is equal
Yeah.
to
Yeah.
Ab by
Yeah.
Pn.
PQ. Yeah. Okay.
Fine.
Yeah. Mm.
Let's go to third one.
Triangle CMB
Is
and triangle RN.
is it clear the first two parts?
Yeah. 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 The CMB is similar to RNQ. It's the same as so CM by RN is equal to AB by PQ. Um, yeah.
Cm
So
by
then
Rn. Okay, that we need to prove. Okay,
So AB by PQ. So half AB by half is equal to half AB by half PQ.
just repeat what you're trying to do.
So I'm trying to prove that CM and MB are similar.
Cm,
Sorry,
yeah,
CM.
CMB and
Uh,
RNQ.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So Pm by Rn is equal to AB by PQ, which is equal to half AB by half PQ,
Yes.
and that is equal to MB by Qn. MB by
Thank you.
Qn. Thank you.
हाँ ठीक है.
And then by SAS we already know that PQR is similar to ABC, so BC is corresponding to QR, and
Sorry.
we know that ABC is similar to PQR, so
A
BC
B
is
C
correspond.
A B C is okay. Fine.
So BC is similar to so BC is is corresponding to QR.
Yes.
So this after MB by NQ is equal to BC by QR. Yeah.
No. How do you get that? Just repeat.
So in triangle, we know that ABC is similar to PQR.
Yes, it is.
So that means that BC and QR are proportional or corresponding.
Two.
Yeah. So this will be equal to um, uh, we can just use SAS as well.
Okay. We can use both actually. Just go ahead.
Yeah. This one, okay, is similar to AB by PQ,
A B over P Q. Okay.
and which is equal to half AB by half PQ, which is MB by NQ.
Okay.
So MB by NQ is equal to CM by RN and BC by QR. So all three are equal as SS and
This and
similar.
this. Okay. SSS.
Yeah. Yeah.
And now because these were two similar triangles, Q is
Mm.
equal to B.
Yeah.
And if Q is equal to B, then
Then
uh, we have proved MB by NQ. Okay. That is similar to
uh,
CM by RN.
oh yeah.
CM by RN. Okay. We need. Okay. I'm wrong. I'm wrong here. We can use only
Okay.
SSS.
Mm.
Okay. Because we
Yeah.
don't know about these two angles.
Yeah.
It is not necessary that that bifurcates into two equal angles. That's median does. It's not mandatory.
Okay.
Okay. So it's using only
Yeah.
SSS. Fine.
Yeah.
So let's go to the exercise. Just
Yeah.
first question.
State. Okay. State which pairs of triangles in figure 6.34 are similar.
We
Write
will
the
avoid
similarity
this.
criteria.
We'll avoid this.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. Second. Second
Uh,
question.
okay. ODC is similar to OBA. The screen disappeared.
Screen is not visible.
Yeah.
The screen should be visible. Why it is not? Okay. Go ahead.
So in ODC is similar to OBA. BOC is equal to 125. CDO is 70. Find DOC, DCO, and OAB. Okay. So angle Okay. So angle DOC is 180 minus 125, which is 55 degrees.
Angle
DOC,
DOC is equal to, yes,
55 degrees. Uh,
is 60. How much? 65.
55.
55. Okay.
So then angle DCO will be 180 minus 70 plus 55. Mm, So,
Okay. Hmm.
so that will be DCO will be um 35. DCO will be also 55.
Okay.
So now OAP is up. Okay. Uh, okay. So, um, alright. So angle AOB is equal to angle DOC.
Angle
AOB is equal to DOC
DOC.
because because
Angle AOB. How do you know that? It is both
because
55.
180 oh yeah, but 180 minus 125.
It is, but which one? A is corresponding to D or C is corresponding to A?
Okay. Okay. Uh, mm, okay. Angle uh,
See, listen
OBA.
to parallel lines
Okay.
because
Yeah, so
this
OBA is 70
this
degrees.
yes, this 70
So
and this
now we
one
know
is
that,
55.
yeah, yeah.
That's
So now we know that, yeah.
so A is corresponding
COD is
A is
corresponding to
corresponding
AOB.
to C. Yeah.
Yeah,
So that would have been, blatantly wrong,
yeah. Mm,
isn't it? So this is very important. Yeah. Now it's just easy, huh?
mm.
Third.
Diagonals AC uh, and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC intersect each other at point O. Using a similarity criterion for both triangles show that OA by OP is equal to OP by OD. And we'll need a diagram for this.
Okay. Further.
Diagonal is in BDF. So, yeah, the diagonals is 2%.
A B C D. This O. Okay. Yes.
Yeah, now, AB using similarity criteria so that OA is equal to OB and OC is equal to OD. Okay, so, uh, AB is parallel to, hmm, uh, okay, so draw a parallel passing through O, which is parallel to AB and CD.
Is
Draw
that
line
needed?
parallel
Is
to
that needed?
OA. Or
OA. This is OA and this is OB. And this OC, this OB, and this CO, OD.
yeah,
So if we can prove this triangle similar to this triangle, we can get that.
yeah.
Okay. So for that we can,
So,
because we need to find out the side ratio. So we need to prove using the angle criteria.
yeah.
If it was, we need to find the angles. So obviously we need to use the, start the question with sides.
Mm,
Okay.
yeah.
So now what we can do? Can we make any
So,
angles equal that
yeah, but
solve?
angle. Uh, all
Just
right.
read the question
Angle
once. Yeah.
ABO, angle ABO and BDC, or ABD and BDC are equal.
Angle
And angle ABD and BDC,
ABD and
BDC,
the, okay,
and angle because alternate interior,
okay.
and angle BAC is equal to angle ACD AA, and yeah. So
BAC is equal to BACD.
yeah. So
So you can
now we got
write
that.
like this.
Yeah. So now AOB is similar to DOC. Sorry, BOA is similar to DOC.
BOA is similar to
DOC.
DOC. B is similar to
Therefore,
D. Okay.
yeah, yeah. So therefore, OA by OC is equal to OB by OB.
Yes.
Mm.
6.36.
Uh, QR by QS is equal to QT by PR, and angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Okay. Find show that PQS is similar to TQR. Okay. QR by QS is equal to QT by PR. Okay. Uh, an angle on this. So, um, okay. So, we can use SAS,
SAS.
yeah, to prove that triangle PQR is similar to PQS. Sorry, PR. Sorry, we have to prove that this will give us that PQR is similar to PRS.
PQR is
Sorry,
similar.
TQR. TQR similar to PRS. Yeah.
PQR is similar to
PRS
PRS.
by SAS because PQ
How
by
is
PR,
that?
TQ by QT
How
by
is that? How is
PR.
that?
So angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and TQ by PR is equal to QS by P QS by QR.
Just repeat. Just repeat.
Sorry.
QR by
Oh,
QS.
uh, is equal to QT by PR.
QT by PR.
Yeah,
Because of this ambiguity, we need to be exact with the angle. That was the point.
Uh,
Now, in this, you can't guess. It's like
yeah.
you can't guess. It's
Mm,
the same triangle,
mm,
more or less.
yeah. Uh, okay. We can. Okay.
QR,
Mm,
QR. So
mm,
QR basically this length by QS, this length. Okay, is equal to QT, QT, PR. PR is this. So that means
yeah.
this. Just let me QT and R, P and R. This was Q. So TQ is corresponding to QT is
Yeah.
corresponding to PR.
Yeah. And QR is corresponding to QS.
Yes.
That,
So if these two angles are given equal, then our job is done.
yeah.
So what is now? How do you prove that? Just see that whatever is corresponding is equal. So T and P they are corresponding to R.
Mm,
This is corresponding to Q here, and this is corresponding. Just notice the angle. This is R,
yeah.
and rest is R here, and rest is Q here.
Yeah. But oh, okay. Yeah.
See, like just see the arrow.
Mhm.
So TQ,
PQ by PR is equal to QR by RQ, and TR is equal to TR by PQ. And then uh, after that, RPQ is equal to RTR. Sorry, TQR. Uh, we need to prove that PRQ is similar to RT.
P,
Sorry,
PQS.
kidding. Yeah, PQS is similar to PRQ.
PQS is
So
similar to TQR. Yeah.
yeah, so uh, now PRQ we will compare P. So okay, TQ by PR is equal to QR by RQ. One second. So yeah, okay. So and now we'll compare PQS and PQR, PRQ.
See, we missed one thing. This is
Okay.
equal, right? One
Yeah.
is
So I'm
equal.
going to use that. Yeah.
You're saying something.
Yeah. So now we'll compare PQS and PRQ.
Okay, I was just talking about something else. This is
Yeah, one and two. So
this is
yeah, PR will be equal to
yes.
mm,
PR is equal to
PQ.
okay.
That's what I'm going to use. Yeah. So if you compare PQS and PRQ, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and PR is equal to PQ. PR is equal to PQ and PQ.
Why confused?
Right?
Where is the confusion?
Uh, 1 second. Okay. Yeah, and we also know from the previous one that QS and SR. Oh no. Uh, yeah,
Okay,
QS
so
and QR are similar. So QS by QR is equal to QT by no, is
no,
equal to QR by
in PQS and TQR. So
yeah,
this 1 and 2 angle is equal. That's given.
yeah. But
So,
TQ,
so
but
Q and
the
R is
angle two is not part of TQR.
TQR. Let it be. That's no problem. But
Okay.
the Q is part of TQR, na? That is equal.
Oh yeah, yeah. Uh-huh.
And
Oh yeah. Okay.
PQS and PQS
Mm,
means this is equal to PR. I'm sorry,
all right.
PQS.
PR is equal
Yeah,
to
PQS means what is it's corresponding to
uh PQ and PQ. PQ and TQ.
PQ and PQ. Yes, yes.
And so then QS and QR as well.
So
Because
can we say that RQT and PQS, they're basically
yeah,
same angle.
yeah, just similar.
So
Yeah, same angle.
if you see,
SAS.
yes,
Yeah.
this is the case.
But,
Angle one is angle one exactly using SS. Okay,
hmm,
so you can mention as PQ is corresponding to PQ here,
yeah.
TQ, and S is corresponding to R.
Hmm,
Is it okay?
yeah.
We took this as PR is equal to PQ. We can take this as QP also. So it will resolve that. QP. Okay. P is corresponding to T and QR is corresponding to QS. Just
Yeah.
check the from the sides you can check the angles. So let's
Hmm,
once again do this. We had in the question that QR by QS is equal to QT by PR, and angle 1 is equal to angle 2. That means these two sides are equal. If that these two
hmm,
sides are equal, that means we can substitute in this PR by QP. QP.
yeah.
Okay, if that is
Hmm,
substituted, and if this is the same angle, then we can in these two triangles tell that this is similar using SAS.
yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm,
To visualize this is little difficult, but to solve using uh, the method, that is easy.
yeah.
In this particular question, this one of the
Okay.
rare questions in which it is
Hmm,
that difficult to visualize,
hmm,
but still we need to be thorough with the uh, step by step method. Okay, is it okay?
hello.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you.